Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel where I review the latest and greatest tech products. Today I'm going to review the Samsung Odyssey G9 49-inch gaming monitor. If you are looking to take your gaming experience to the next level, stick around because this is the review you don't want to miss. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this TV from Amazon at discounted price. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. First, let's dive right into the specs of Samsung Odyssey G9. It comes with 49-inch massive screen display with a stunning 5120 by 1440 pixels for jaw-dropping visuals. It boasts a USB hub for convenient connectivity and that breathtaking curved display. It comes with a mind-blowing 240Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth gaming, and it's a QLED panel delivering vibrant colors and sharp contrast. You can buy it around $1479 but stick around to find out if it's worthy every penny. Now that we have covered the specs, let's talk about the gaming experience with the Samsung Odyssey G9. The 49-inch curved display provides you an amazing gaming experience. With the resolution of 5120 by 1440, games look incredibly sharp and detailed. You won't miss a single pixel of action. And with 240Hz, the monitor delivers buttery smooth gameplay, which is essential for competitive gamers. No more screen tearing and stuttering. But that's not all. The Odyssey G9 has some additional features that make it stand out. The built-in USB hub is incredibly handy for connecting all your peripherals without having to reach behind your PC. It's not just about performance, the monitor looks stunning on your desk with its futuristic design. And with HDR support, your games and content will pop with lifelike colors and contrast. So is the Samsung Odyssey G9 worth the price tag of $1479? In my opinion, absolutely. The combination of massive curved screen, 240Hz refresh rate and a stunning visual make it a top contender in the gaming monitor world. If you are serious about the gaming or simply want an incredible display for work or entertainment, the Samsung Odyssey G9 is a powerhouse that won't disappoint. I have included a link in the description and you can buy this TV from my link. And that's it guys. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss my latest tech reviews. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, see you. Happy gaming. Bye bye.